Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, April 25th. And what a difference 10 days makes from snow and just nasty cold weather, almost record-breaking cold, 10, 12 degrees below normal for the month. And we've begun to warm up, the grass is greened up, and we got a nice dry period coming up. Overall, next 7 days, probably around a tenth of an inch or less of precipitation. That'll be mainly for Friday as a cold front comes through. For today anyways, we'll see those showers this morning move out, and we'll see temperatures climbing into the mid 50s. And then tomorrow I think we have a chance to get into the 60s, and boy, we got some shot of warm weather early next week. We'll talk about that in a minute. Normal high is 62, the normal low is 38. Yesterday we had a high of 62 and a low of 49.8 with 900ths of an inch of precipitation, 200 since midnight, giving us a storm total of 1100ths of an inch. And you can see we got some growing degree days, just getting started, lots to be planted yet, but here we go. And if we look at conditions out there this morning, a little cooler than yesterday, but still quite mild with temperatures in the mid 50s to the low 60s as you get on to southeast lower Michigan. Again, we forecasted most of the rain to be across the eastern areas overall, but especially in the southwest Ontario, but nothing real heavy, and that certainly has been the way it's panned out. You can see on the satellite view this morning that low pressure to the south, cold front and upper wave moving in from the northwest, and that'll bring us some partly sunny skies as a clearing line now in Wisconsin will quickly move across the state. So any of the showers this morning will be mainly over the eastern areas into southwest Ontario, but even there I think later this afternoon they could see a few breaks, but definitely lots of breaks in the sunshine, or in the clouds rather, here across Michigan. As far as the radar this morning, you can see most of it now beginning to dissipate across the area, and the heaviest concentration of showers over in southwest Ontario. We're getting many areas between a quarter and a half inch, and mainly under a quarter of an inch once you get to the west of I-75. As far as the forecast map this morning, you can see those low pressure systems will move off to the east. The cold front comes through. Again, this precipitation will be mainly early this morning, and then we'll get some nice breaks in the clouds for much of the area. And again, overall, the next 7 days, you can see very little precipitation. Again, Friday and then maybe towards the middle of next week. But again, very light amounts, mainly under a tenth of an inch across most of the area, maybe up to a tenth or so. Again, that's for this morning and for the system over in the thumb, because they're still getting some of that activity this morning. As far as the forecast goes today, highs in the mid 50s, a nice shot of warm air in the low 60s with lots of sunshine on Thursday will make it a really nice day. And then we'll see temperatures cool off over the weekend, only into the 50s. And yep, there's even a little white thing down there, which we won't say what that is, but at night we could see a few of those mix in with a few showers. And then we'll see temperatures, again, even Sunday, only in the 50s, but a rapid warm-up for Monday and Tuesday, at least into the mid-60s to around 70 on Monday. And I think we could get a shot of getting into the mid-70s, perhaps, on Tuesday for a very warm day. And then we'll watch a system come through that'll bring a cold front through the area. But certainly looking at an overall up and down, but more spring-like pattern for sure. As far as weather watch out there this morning, nothing going on. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.